I looked up questioningly, and he looked up questioningly. He means Nishad. 7. We can say, I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him. Yes, and I have written the facts about Mr. Nath, and after that, with these points, we can trap him. I said, what? Want you hear? 7 nodded. Fact number 1. What was the fact number 1? I read. I means Maya. Maya read. His name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. Yes, his name is Mr. Nath. That was the findings of Maya. Do you think that is his real name, Maya? Nishad asked. Nishad is full of questions, but he did not agree with that girl. Do you think that is his real name, Maya? Nishad asked. Probably not, I said. Maya said, probably not, perhaps not. Most crooks have an alias. Alias means they are keeping another name. Yes, I added a big question mark after Nath. Yes. So maybe his name is not original. He has kept his another name. And I added a big question mark after Nath. Fact number 2. Second fact is, what is the second fact? I read on. The tenants at Shankar house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. You know very well. He is strange. His looks are strange. He is unfriendly also. Why he is unfriendly? Because he does not talk to anyone, and nobody is coming to meet him, and he is not going anywhere to meet anyone, so that is why he is unfriendly. He has no friends, and his looks are strange, and there are scars on his face also. So this is the second finding of Maya. Number 3, he does not talk to anyone and is mannerless. Yes, Maya is saying that he is not talking to anyone. He is mannerless. Actually, one thing I am telling you, that is why Maya is thinking that he is not talking to anyone so that anybody can know about him. Yes, but he did not, but he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama says he is very polite. Nishad interrupted. Nishad is saying that Mama told us he is very polite, and says he is very polite. Nishad interrupted. Yes, he only talked to us because he had to. Yes, he had to means he had to talk to us. That is why he is talking to us, I said. And since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. Yes, he is under Mama's medical treatment. He is taking medicines from Mama. So that is why he is polite with us. Are you understanding? समझ आ रही है सबको? सारे बच्चों को सुन रहा है आराम से? नो प्रॉब्लम? नो प्रॉब्लम? Fact number 4. He does not receive any letters. Yes, he does not receive any letters. He is not getting any letter from anyone because he has no friends. If you don't have any friends, you will not receive any letter. In those days, people were talking with through letters. Now we are talking with phones. Understand? 7 nodded. Number 5. He has been living in room number 10 of Shankar house for more than a year. I continued. I continued means Maya continued, he has been living in the room number 10 in Shankar's house for the last more than 1 year. And after that, number 6, he does not work and sits in his room all day. Yes, number 6 is he does not work. He is not going to work anywhere. And he always sits in his room all the day doing no work. Number 7, the kids in Shankar's house and even some of the grown ups are scared of him. Scared means afraid, darna, afraid of him. And the kids in Shankar house, they are afraid of him. Even the grown up means bade log, elder, they are also afraid of him. They are also scared of him. Number 8, he has no visitors. Nobody is coming to his room and nobody is going somewhere except for a spectacle fair fat man who visits him on Sunday for lunch. There comes only one person. He is fat, there are specks on his face, and he is fat, fair complexion. His complexion is fair, and he visits him to on Sundays. He comes to his room on Sunday only. Number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurants downstairs. Yes, number 9 is very important. Food is being served from the restaurant, and it was served by Ramesh. It was served by Ramesh, and he does not care, but he eats. What he is eating, he does not care. Pays his bill immediately and tips bell. And at the same time, there is no, he is giving the money at the same time. As soon as he receives he is getting the food, the same time he is giving his bill. He pays his bill immediately and tips bill means he is giving extra money to Ramesh also. Bishwani, I want to tell you what the meaning of tips. Bishwani, are you understanding? Ashwin ji, okay. Tips means when you are going to the restaurant and you are taking food, you are taking meal there, and your bill is 450. After 450, you are giving what, 20 rupees, 10 rupees to the waiter. That is called tip. That is called tip. So that ends my list. Have I forgotten anything, Seven? Yes, she is asking. Seven, anything I forgot? You can tell me. Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. Yes, actually, one thing I am telling you. As soon as she is telling the facts about Mr. Nath and Mr. Nishad was not paying any attention towards her. He could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he does not have any friends. Only he was saying he is a poor person if he does not have any friend, and he does not have any friends, he must be so lonely. One thing I am telling you, every person wants to talk to anyone. Understand? So that is why we are social animal. We are social animals. Without talking to others, we cannot live. We cannot live. And poor Maya must be He must be so lonely if he does not have any friends. How can a crook have friends, idiot? Crook means criminal. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. Maya almost shouted. How can a criminal be have a friend? At least he has one friend, a one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. Yes, he has one friend who who comes to who meets him on Sundays and who comes on Sundays to meet him and spends a lot of time with him. Yes, boys and girls, a brilliant thought occurred to me just then. There comes a brilliant idea. There comes a brilliant idea that man must be Mr. Nas accomplice in a crime. Actually, why he is coming? Why that person with with specs on nose, fair complexion, and fatty person coming to meet him on Sunday? There comes a brilliant idea in the mind of the children, and a brilliant thought occurred to me just then. That man must be Mr. Nas accomplice in a crime. He must be accomplished in a accomplice in a crime. I said. Maybe he keeps all the loot. Loot means looting things, things which were looted, and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner. So now he is coming to take his part. He is coming to take his part, Mr. Nath, for expenses. That is it. I am sure I am right. If you insist on calling him, हाँ बेटे, किसका? क्राइम का मतलब होता है कोई गलत काम करना. जैसे सपोज करो आप जो सपोज वन थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू इलीगल थिंग्स व्हेन यू आर डूइंग. सपोज कोई बंदा जो है वो अपना एटीएम लूट के ले जाए, दैट इज क्राइम. इट इज इलीगल. द थिंग्स विच यू आर डूइंग इलीगली. जैसे सपोज करो आजकल जो है लोग जो है शराब निकाल के पी रहे हैं घर में, दैट इज इलीगल, क्राइम है जे. Suppose you people are publishing your notes at home, currency, Indian currency at home. It is crime. Shruti Kundu, you understand now? That's crime. Suppose anything, आपने किसी को जो है वैसे ही थप्पड़ मार दिया, that is also crime. That is also crime. Do you understand? That is also crime. Yes, a brilliant thought occurred to me just then. That man must be Mr. Nas' accomplice in crime. I said, maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner. So he is coming, he has kept the loot. कहीं ना कहीं बैंक में डकैती डाल देते हैं कई लोग, दैट इज आल्सो क्राइम. बैंक को लूट लेते हैं पैसे. श्रुति कुंडू, वन थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू, सपोज आपके पास 50,000 रुपया है. श्रुति कुंडू, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सपोज आपके पास 50,000 रुपी है या कम है, कोई आपको जो है वैसे ही कहे कि पैसे मुझे जो दे दो, नहीं तो मैं गन वैसे टॉय गन आपको दिखा के ले लेता है, दैट इज आल्सो क्राइम. That is crime. So that is, I am telling you all the things. So Mr. Nath, for expenses is, that is it. I am sure I am right. Yes, I am right. I am. Who is I here? Maya. Maya is saying कि I am right. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya. Yes, Mr. Nishad, though he is 7 years old, that boy is saying कि without any proof we cannot say anyone criminal. Understand? That is, we cannot say him criminal. All the time, all the time you are saying him criminal, criminal, criminal. Understand? If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't. हाँ जी. Yes, I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nishad angrily. He was very much angry. He cannot be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such a generous tip. Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Nishad, 7, he is saying he is a generous person. That is why he is giving tips to Ramesh also. He is a kind person. He might not be a criminal. Ramesh probably knows something about his past. So Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet. I said. I means I means Maya. I means Maya. Bete, why are you talking? Who is talking? Anyone who is talking, Bete? Please don't talk and don't disturb me while I am teaching. Okay? Bete, please keep your mic off. Keep your mic off so that I can explain the lesson to you. Yes, very good, Bete. I am proud of you. So, Ramesh probably knows something about his past. So, Mr. Nath must be bribing, but the meaning of bribing, you understand? Bribe means rishwat dena, and that is why so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet. I said, perhaps he is bribing him. He is giving him bribe so that he may keep his mouth shut. Nishant glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him. So now Nishad was not accepting anything. So that is why Maya was getting fed up with him. Was getting fed up with him. How can we make any progress with our investigations? Investigations means 7, 8 investigations Maya has done. If you take that attitude 7, actually one thing I am telling you, you must be open minded. When somebody is saying something to you, you should accept it. Otherwise, you cannot go on investigation. Fed up with him, I asked, I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook. So, Mr. 7, Mr. Nishad, he is saying that you should give up that idea. Actually, one thing I am telling you, the first thing we should not consider him a criminal. We should not consider him a criminal. So that is why I will help you, said 7. You really make me angry. Yes. Why are you saying that person without knowing anything about him? You are saying him a criminal. Understand? I almost hit him. Yes, I almost hit it means Maya almost hit her brother. I make you angry. You stupid oaf. You are stupid person. I shouted. You make me mad because you are not accepting my investigations. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? Yes, why we people are investigating if we don't want to accept he is a criminal. If you think he is a nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. And if he is nobody, if he is not a criminal, he is not a bad man, then why we are doing investigations for him? So that is she is asking. Please tell me. Nishant looked thoughtful. I would say I would like to find out why he is so thin. Yes, if the person is thin, he is a criminal. Why he is so lonely? If the person is living alone, it means he is a criminal. I want to know why he does not have any friends and lives alone. Why he is living alone? Why does not he have any friend? Try to understand, Seven. I told him if he is lived in Shankar's house for a year and has not made a single friend, there is something wrong. He is living there, living with the in Shankar's house, room number 10, and he has no friend. It means he has done something wrong. Try to understand, Seven. I told him if he lived in a Shankar for a year and does not has not made a single friend, there is something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to his cops. Cops means police. So that is why he is not making any discussion with anyone so that anybody can know about him. And if anybody knows about him, he will call the police and he will be caught. Maybe no one has tried to make friends with him. Nishant protested. Nishant protested that perhaps nobody has made any friendship with him. Why should anyone bother? Yes, why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. Yes, he is a nasty bear all the time. Yes, I don't care, said Nishant stubbornly. I don't care. I don't want to care about him. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. Nishad is saying I like him. I like Mr. Nath and I am going to make a friendship with him. Friends with the crook. Crook means criminal. You will make friendship with a criminal. Ha 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 ha. You are crazy. Crazy means mad. You are mad. You are mad. Seven, I said. The cops will take you to jail with him. And if you will make friendship with him, the cops, the police will take you with him to the jail. Do you want to do you want that to happen? Yes, you think that it will happen? You idiot. Idiot, who is idiot here? Mr. Seven, Mr. Nishad. Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. And he glared at him, at her, and after that he has gone out of the room. My theory seems to have made no impression on him at all. And what investigations he has done, his investigation has no impact on Mr. Nishad. So, question answers. This is the lesson, bete. Question answers we will do in the next. Okay, my dear boys and girls. And question answers we will do after that. Okay. Thank you very much. Very good. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.